change in income tax, more employment for the youth, but a very, very disheartened middle class is what we could take away from budget. Key takeaways from Budget 2024 that's left many high and dry. The budget announced on July 23 brings some bad news for the retail investor. Long-term capital gains on your non-financial and financial assets such as equity held for more than a year will now be taxed at 12.5% up from 10% earlier. On short-term capital gains, specific assets will now be charged at 20% from 15% earlier. In a big respite to the startup ecosystem in India, angel tax on angel investors is now abolished. New tax regime, which offered a lot of ease while filing, has now actually backstabbed the opters. It starts from a slab of 5% for people earning as low as 3 lakh up to 7 lakhs. And these slabs in this order. While the government says that this can help salaried employees save up to 17,500 per year, that's actually not significant. Calculated this way, a taxpayer with over 20 lakhs in income will be saving barely 1,400 rupees a month, which is not a major relief. Under the new tax regime, standard deductions have now been increased from 50,000 to 75,000 rupees. Under the new long-term capital gains on property have been reduced from 20% to 12.5%. While this may seem good on paper, the indexation relief on gold and property securities transactions on futures and options has now gone up, which has actually led to a major market. How is the budget according to your expectations? Let us know in the comments.